Hello and welcome to Freedom English. I am Tanisha Sharma. Wait, why should you believe that I am Tanisha Sharma and how can you believe? I think this can be the solution for you. The Aadhaar card, which we always use for our identification proof and address proof. But what if I tell you that there's much more to this Aadhaar card? Like today, I am going to tell you how you can get a loan of up to 2 lakh rupees with Aadhaar card in 2025. So whether you're looking for money to have a significant purchase or in need of emergency funds and you don't want to spend a lot of time just applying for the loan, or you want a very simple procedure with minimal documentations and instant loan, then this video is for you. I'm going to tell you how you can get the loan, what is the procedure, what are the documentations required, how instant can you get the loan, and what is the fastest way to get this loan in 2025. So I'm going to answer all these questions for you in a very simple and easy manner. So I hope this video would be helpful for you. Now let's get started and tell you that how you can get a loan of up to 2 lakh rupees in 2025 with your Aadhaar card. Step 1. Understanding the instant personal loans with Aadhaar card. Instant personal loans are the loans that are unsecured but gives you an quick and easy access to the funds without any collateral. By utilizing the Aadhaar card, the lenders can swiftly verify your identification, your address proof, and then can give you the loan. Instant personal loans include a few key features. Let's explore them. Starting with high amount loan. This loan goes up to 55 lakh rupees and you can borrow it for both your business and personal purposes. Next, rapid approval. It needs the minimal eligibility criteria and the approval can take place within minutes. Next, no collateral required. These unsecured loans don't need any collateral, assets, property, cars to have as security. It is done without collateral. It doesn't need any collateral at all. Next, minimal documentation. This process begins with just Aadhaar card, eKYC and salary proof. That's it. Next, quick disbursal. The amount or the loan would be credited in your bank account within 24 hours after verification. Next, flexible repayments. The tenure can extend up to 96 months and it offers manageable EMIs. This was about understanding instant personal loan. Now, what are the eligibility criteria? Let's look at that. So before you apply, you should meet the required eligibility criteria, and that is, first, your nationality should be Indian. You should be a citizen of India. Second, your age should be 21 years to 80 years. Third, you should have a credit score of 685 or even higher is better. Fourth, your salary should be 25,000 or higher, but it varies on different cities and states. So now if you meet the eligibility criteria, next up we have the documents that are required for the loan. Starting with first, Aadhaar card. For identification and address proof, you need Aadhaar card to get a loan. Second, proof of income. To make sure that you are actually earning and you make a salary or income, you should have your monthly salary slips or income statements. Third, bank statements. To make sure you're capable of returning the loan, it is important to have last 3 months of bank statement. Fourth, additional documents. It absolutely depends on where you're applying for the loan and accordingly the requirements takes place. So you better have these documents with yourself for a seamless loan approval. So after you have the documents in your hand, next we have the application process. I'm going to tell you how to apply. So for the application process, we will have to follow these steps. Step 1. Choose a lender. You have to research banks, NBFCs and fintech platforms offering instant personal loan. Step 2. Online application. For this, you better go to the website of the lender or download their app. Step 3. Registration. To get the approval, you need to first enter your basic details that are asked by the lender. So you will have to register your mobile number that is linked with Aadhaar card or PAN card and the other required basic details. Step 4. KYC verification. Complete Aadhaar based eKYC for identity verification. Step 5. Submit documents. You should submit all the required documents that are asked by the lender. Step 6. Loan approval. Upon verification, you will get the loan approval within just a few minutes. Step 7. Disbursal. After the loan approval, you will get the funds and the amount in your bank account within 24 hours. So as we talked about how to apply for the loan, what are the documents required, what is the eligibility criteria and the application process. Now it's time to know that how the repayment and the EMIs work. Interest rates for your personal instant loan varies on the factors like your salary, credit score and the lender's policies. The rates generally starts from 10.85% and can go up to 24%. Utilize online EMI calculators to better understand your payments and choose a tenure that aligns with your financial situation. So, this is what you have to do to get instant personal loan in 2025. But it is not in your hand to get approval. It absolutely depends on the lender's decision. But let me tell you how you can change the lender's decision and get the approval for your loans. Starting with step 1. Maintain a good credit score. Aim for a credit score above 685. A good credit score is gonna help you get the approval for your loans faster by the lender. Step 2. Ensure accurate information. Whatever you're uploading, the documents, the information, the basic requirements asked by the lenders, make sure they are correct. There's no misunderstanding, mismatch or false details. Step 3. Keep documents updated. Make sure that all documents reflect your current financial status and are not backdated. Step 4. Avoid multiple applications. Rather than applying for multiple lenders simultaneously can negatively impact your credit score. That can result in denied approval for your loan. So if you want your loan to be approved, make sure you meet these 4 steps. First, maintaining a good credit score. Second, ensuring accurate details and information. Third, keeping your documents updated. And fourth, avoiding multiple applications. Leveraging your Aadhaar card to get a loan of up to 2 lakh rupees in 2025 can both be efficient and convenient. By following this step-by-step guide that I shared with you, you can get the loan without any hassle and problems. You just have to remember to borrow responsibly and make sure the repayments are done timely and the EMI suits your financial health. So this was all about how you can get a loan of 2 lakh rupees with Aadhaar card in 2025. I hope you liked this video, and if so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Freedom English, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.